Riwruog mar gavanas okwedo okang mar migao mar thieth e chwalo negi jochiw thieth mag universal health coverage. Ka hotel negi kod jakom mar COG Ahmed Abdullahi gikoni migao mar thieth osebedo ka chulo jochiw thieth go kuom mahaw higni 5 koro nyaka ne migi orak. Giywak ni midhiero ma osebedo ahinya to mar ng'anyo ema osemiyo koro ichwalo negi ting'no gino ma koro ok gibi yiego. Giko migao mar thieth mondo tiekre kod jochiw thieth go ochwalo omenda ne counties kapok gichwalo negi ting' mar counties mopogore opogore.
Thank you, Chair. I wish to buttress.
That's what I'm struggling to understand, because I can cite letters from Kirinyaga County are actually threatening to send shockos letters to the UHC staff.
The CS is trying to transfer this problem to us. If the UHCs that are at work are not funded in perpetuity, the moment their contract ends, they'll start demanding that counties absorb them. And all we're saying is, where is the money to absorb them?
The UHC staff since 2020 have been on a job group that is very discriminative compared to their colleagues. When it has been on for the last 6 years, at the same discriminative job group that the UHC staff are out there about. And therefore our position is let the ministry keep the payroll as long as they don't provide the prerequisite resources in the equitable share to be able to pay for this staff onward.